Testing. 1, 2, 3. Math. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about distance formula. So for the distance formula, I'm going to be using the coordinates 5, 5, and -4 and -3. So we have the equation already right here, which is d equals x2 minus x1 squared. And then you add that by y2 minus y1 squared. So with the coordinates right here, I put the numbers in right here. So we have -4 minus 5 squared plus -3 minus 5 squared. Then for the next step, I had this equals -9. So then we're going to square this eventually. And then you're going to add this by the next number, which -3 minus 5 is -8. And then we're going to square that. So then we square that and add them together. So we square this, we get 81. And we square this and we get 64. And then our final, before our final answer, we're going to get 145 squared. So we square that and we get a final answer of 12.0415 right here. And that's it.
Okay, so here we are with the prep assignment. I'm doing the midpoint equation today. So me and Marcus tried to use Zoom, but it didn't exactly work out too well. So we're just, recording separate videos and then sending them to you. So essentially, the midpoint equation is finding, finding the midpoint between two other points on a graph. And so the 2 points that we're going to be using today are 5, 5, and -4, -3. These are the same points that we'll be using in the distance formula, distance equation. And so the midpoint equation itself is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. It's pretty simple. Essentially, it just means you're taking this x and this x, and you're adding them together, and dividing them by 2, and then you do the same thing for y. So pretty much, if you take 5 plus -4, you'll get 1, and if you take 5 plus -3, you'll get 2. And so you simply divide those 2 by 2, and so the result of that, you'll get your official points. And so your official points for this are 0.5 and 1. So 0.5 is x, and then 1 is the y. Yep, that's pretty much it. Very cool.